14-31 State versus Amy Corkins, charges possession of drug paraphernalia. 07-219 hot checks. 13-148 forgery. 14-29 methamphetamine.
Your Honor, as to all of the new cases, we waive reading of the information and enter plea of not guilty on all of those charges.
Okay.
As to the probation revocations, we enter plea of not true.
Okay. Mr. Bates, when do you want the revocation hearings? I'm sitting there down on the new cases for March 27th. You want the revocation hearings before that time?
Yes, we could set them in February, Your Honor.
Okay. We got the 13th or the 27th. Which do you prefer?
13th.
Okay. Revocation hearings will be held on February 13th. 14-19 State versus Jerry Moore, possession of drug paraphernalia.
Your Honor, I enter my appearance on behalf of Mr. Moore. We waive reading of the information and enter plea of not guilty.
Okay. I'll enter that plea. We'll have him reappear on March 27th. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
14-17 State versus Bradley Edmonston, terroristic threatening, violation of a no-contact order.
Your Honor, on the new charge, we waive reading of the information and plea of not guilty. And then I believe he's also on the revocation docket for hearing, but I believe there's an amended petition being filed. So we're asking that that hearing be continued.
No, I can't plead guilty. That's like really shut me down.
Okay, on the new case, I'll enter plea of not guilty and have him reappear on March 27th at 10 o'clock. What was the old case number?
The revocation is 13-105.
Okay. You see that in the stack there, 13-105. Or you want me to recall it, or what do you?
No, we were going to set the revocation in February.
On the 13th?
Yes, that'd be fine.
I'll enter a plea of not true, and we'll set the hearing for February 13th.
You guys may want to rethink on that one, because it is on video, just like I'm on video today.
14-15 State versus Sherman Rowden, residential burglary and theft. I guess he also has 1378, which was theft of services.
Your Honor, at this time, we will, the Public Defender's Office will enter their appearance. Mr. Cooper will actually be Mr. Rowden's attorney of record.
Okay.
We will waive reading of the information and enter plea of not guilty.
Okay. I'll have him reappear on March 27th, 10 o'clock a.m.
Judge, we'd like to be heard on bond.
Let me, I tell you what is this is a pending case 1378?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, that one obviously is in Judge Webb's court, Your Honor. At this point in time, it looks like the bond on these new charges is set at $15,000. We would ask the court to consider reducing that bond to $5,000. Mr. Rowden is a longtime resident of the area and is not a flight risk.
I agree with those two statements. This gentleman is a long-time resident. He's probably not much of a flight risk, being in a wheelchair. However, he had charges pending. The reason his bond for this is $15,000 is that he has other charges pending in his court. He was charged with on March the 28th of this year, theft of services. And while out on that bond, he committed the offenses that led to his arrest on December the 10th. The bond, $15,000 is found.
Let me read the affidavit. Bond on the new case be set at $7,500.
Your Honor, if it pleases the court,
Yes.
as I said before, Mr. Cooper will be representing Mr. Rowden. If you could transfer this case, there's a direct conflict between me and Mr. Rowden, representing Mr. Rowden because of another case on your docket. If you could have these cases tracked together for...
So you want this to transfer to the
Yes,
district
Your
court?
Honor.
Okay. Okay, we'll prepare an order to that effect. Let me look at, is there anything to be done on 1378?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's wait.
Thank you.
Thank you.